Imagine you're on a peaceful adventure in the wild, only to suddenly come face to face with a creature so terrifying it could end your life in seconds. These encounters aren't just stories, they actually happened. Today, we're diving into the top 10 dangerous wildlife encounters that shocked the world. Some of these are so unbelievable that you'll question if they're even real. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a truly wild ride. Number 10. The Komodo dragon attack in Indonesia. Picture this. You're hiking on a remote island, surrounded by dense trees and the sound of rustling leaves, when you hear a heavy thud behind you. You turn around to see a massive Komodo dragon, its forked tongue flicking out as it eyes you hungrily. In 2017, a tourist exploring the Komodo National Park faced this nightmare. The dragon bit into his leg with its sharp, bacteria-laden teeth, injecting a mix of venom that can cause paralysis. With blood dripping and the giant lizard in pursuit, he barely managed to escape with the help of park rangers. Komodo dragons can smell blood from miles away, and once they've locked onto their prey, they won't stop until they catch it. Number 9. The lion attack in South Africa. Imagine cruising through a wildlife park, your camera ready to capture majestic lions lounging under the sun. But in an instant, a tranquil scene turns into chaos. In 2015, during a safari in South Africa, a lioness leapt through an open car window, attacking an unsuspecting tourist. The onlookers were horrified as the powerful lion clamped its jaws on the victim. Tragically, the encounter resulted in a fatality. This shocking incident was a grim reminder that lions, even those accustomed to humans in parks, are still wild predators capable of striking without warning. Number 8. The great white shark encounter in Australia. Imagine diving into the deep blue sea, surrounded by nothing but the vast ocean. You're inside a sturdy metal cage, feeling secure, until a 2,000-pound great white shark suddenly rams into the bars, bending them as if they were made of plastic. This horrifying event unfolded in 2016 off the coast of Australia. A massive great white broke into the cage with a diver still inside. The diver's heart must have stopped as he found himself trapped in the same space as one of the ocean's deadliest predators. Miraculously, he managed to swim to safety unharmed, leaving the world stunned by the footage of the cage being ripped apart like paper. Number 7. The grizzly bear attack in Alaska. Imagine hiking in the serene, untouched wilderness of Alaska. You're deep into the woods, where the only sound is your footsteps crunching on leaves. Suddenly, a massive grizzly bear charges out of the bushes, its roar echoing through the forest. In 2018, one unfortunate hiker found himself in this terrifying situation. The bear attacked him with its razor-sharp claws, leaving deep wounds across his body. Just as it seemed like the end, he managed to deploy bear spray, temporarily blinding the bear. Despite suffering serious injuries, he survived to tell his story. This encounter served as a powerful warning to all outdoor enthusiasts. When you're in bear country, always be prepared. Number 6. The elephant rampage in India. Imagine you're enjoying a thrilling safari in India when, out of nowhere, a 12,000-pound elephant starts charging toward your Jeep. In 2021, a group of tourists witnessed this very scene. The massive elephant, usually known for its calm demeanor, went on a rampage after feeling threatened by the approaching vehicle. The tourists could only watch in horror as the beast smashed the vehicle, flipping it over like a toy. Luckily, the passengers escaped with minor injuries, but it was a terrifying reminder of how unpredictable these gentle giants can become when they feel threatened or cornered. If you're captivated by these jaw-dropping encounters, make sure you don't miss out on more amazing content. Please subscribe, because hitting your subscribe button can give me new motivation to work harder and succeed. Now, let's continue exploring the wildest and most dangerous encounters that left the world stunned. Number 5. The crocodile attack in Australia. Imagine peacefully fishing in the rivers of Australia when suddenly, a massive saltwater crocodile leaps from the water, its jaws snapping shut on your arm with bone-crushing force. In 2019, a fisherman experienced this nightmare. As he struggled in the water, he used his knife to fend off the giant reptile. The fisherman's quick thinking saved his life, but not without severe injuries. Crocodiles, known as living dinosaurs, can remain hidden beneath the water's surface, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This encounter showcased the lethal danger of these ancient predators. Number 4. Leopard attack in India. Imagine you're at a quiet school attending a regular day of classes when suddenly chaos erupts as a wild leopard charges into the building. This terrifying event took place in 2016 when a leopard strayed into a school in India. The big cat attacked several people, leaping over desks and lunging at anyone in its path. It took several hours and a team of experts to finally capture the panicked animal. The incident left everyone in shock and served as a reminder of how urban expansion is increasingly encroaching on wildlife territories. Number 3. The polar bear encounter in Norway. Imagine waking up in your tent to the sound of heavy breathing just outside. As you unzip your tent, you find yourself face to face with a polar bear, the most powerful predator of the Arctic. This happened to a group of explorers camping in Norway in 2011. The bear attacked their campsite, severely injuring one person before the group managed to scare it away with flares. Polar bears, unlike most other bear species, see humans as prey, especially when food is scarce. This encounter shocked the world, reminding us just how dangerous these majestic creatures can be. Number 2. The cobra bite in India. Imagine you're trying to remove a deadly snake from someone's home, and suddenly it strikes. In 2019, a skilled snake handler in India was bitten by a king cobra while trying to capture it. The handler knew he had only minutes to act, as the cobra's venom can kill within hours. Rushed to the hospital, he received anti-venom just in time. This encounter went viral, leaving viewers amazed at how close the handler came to death. It was a stark reminder of the dangers faced by those who handle the world's most venomous snakes. Number 1. The hippopotamus attack in Africa. You might think hippos are just chubby, harmless creatures, but they are actually one of Africa's deadliest animals. In 2014, a tourist boat in Kenya was suddenly capsized by an enraged hippo. As the boat flipped over, passengers were thrown into the water and the hippo began attacking them with its massive jaws. While everyone managed to swim to safety, some sustained serious injuries. Known for their territorial aggression, hippos can run faster than most humans and are capable of slicing a person in half with one bite. This encounter left everyone shaken and served as a chilling reminder of the dangers lurking in African waters. Wow, these were some truly heart-pounding encounters, weren't they? Tell us in the comments, which of these stories left you absolutely stunned? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible top 10 lists from around the world. If there's a topic you want us to cover next, drop your suggestions in the comments. Your support means everything to us. Thanks for watching, and always remember, respect